Let me show you how to properly set up and use your SilverCrest handheld steam cleaner. But first let's check out our steam cleaner and also all the accessories that come with it. It also comes with a fairly long 4-meter cable as well. When you look at the build quality, it appears very solid indeed. So we can remove the cover for the water filler, and we can fill up to 250 milliliters in this bad boy. We are also getting this measuring cup with 250 milliliter mark for easy pouring. So you see we have the trigger, but you can also lock it out, so to prevent accidental start. Okay, on the other side, do not have anything much here, and this is what our front looks like. So over here we can attach various accessories to it. So it comes inside the box with a bunch of accessories. First you can use these short ones. As you see, it simply mounts on these two attachments here. Slide inside and then it like this to locked in place. And once you fill up water, you can start working. So and also, for example, we can attach this long hose, which is probably the most versatile. And on this long one, we can also attach all these accessories. For example, you can attach this brush here. Again, so you see it locks into the place. Or also we can attach these tiny accessories to it as well. So for getting into hard to reach places. And also we have this mini brush. This is actually my most used tool for this one. So you simply pop it on like this. Also inside the box we have this cover for this brush as well, so you can kind of pop it on it. And let's fill it up. So I have taken 250 milliliters of water and simply let's pour it inside. And then take your cap and screw it back on. And make sure it's nice and tight. And next plug in electricity to heat it up. So it takes about 2 minutes, so the first time to heat up before we can use it. And once it's ready, as you see, the green light will turn on. Also, when working with this machine, also be very careful, as obviously the steam coming out of it is boiling hot and you can easily scald yourself. And the steam machine is especially good for loosening very stubborn stains and anything that has been sitting somewhere for a very long time and has caked on essentially. So if I, for example, used on this one, see, I'll simply squeeze my trigger. And you see it pretty much removes everything instantly. And it also can be very useful in a kitchen as well, so to clean just about anything. You can also easily clean a fridge with this thing as well. We can also easily remove very hard stains from a sink or a faucet. Also, not only we can clean toilet with this as well, but also we can obviously disinfect the toilet and kill all the germs around the toilet, since it's obviously boiling water essentially. So we can go around. And this essentially sterilizes everything and kills everything. Also, not only this can be used to loosen very stubborn stains on furniture or maybe any mattresses, but also it can be used to deal with pests as well. For example, maybe you have any mites or bed bugs in your mattress or any other furniture. You can simply go over with it, since it's a boiling hot steam. It essentially again will completely kill off everything. However, when using it in furniture, I suggest to use this cover. So it essentially also soaks up the excess moisture, so your furniture simply doesn't get as wet. Also, not only the steamer can be used to loosen very tough stains on carpet or maybe even clean carpet, but also we can remove even smells or any mold particles as well from carpeting or wherever else. Again, since it's obviously boiling hot steam, it's pretty much going to kill off all the organic matter that might create any smells or mold. So just for comparison, as see, I cleaned this side of the carpet and it's pretty much clean, whereas, yeah, where I didn't clean it. So it's also excellent for this purpose as well. And if you want to refill it, first simply plug it out from electricity, and next also we need to release all the steam from the machine. So while it's out, you simply hold it till all the steam is gone. Also, I can shake it a bit as well, so it will release some more steam. But yeah, as you see, you can also literally use this unit without it being plugged in power as well for some time. So simply wait till everything is gone. And next we can simply remove the top cover, but when removing, again, be a bit careful and see if there isn't any steam still coming out. You can maybe do it kind of slowly, carefully. Again, obviously it's boiling steam here, but see, yeah, all good after we have released it. When refilling, if it's obviously still hot, also be careful, because if you pour in cold water onto the hot plate inside, it's also going to instantly create steam, and again, you might burn yourself a bit. So again, as you see, I'm not obviously keeping my hand above this hole, so I'm doing it like this, so from side. Okay, so it wasn't that hot this time, it didn't create it, but sometimes it does, especially if you have just used it. And yeah, overall this new SilverCrest steam cleaner definitely is very cool indeed. However, I do wish it had a bit larger capacity, otherwise we can kind of only work with it for a few minutes before we need to refill it. But again, for the price I'm probably not complaining much, since again I only paid like 20 euros for this whole set for this price. I mean, it's ridiculously cool. Okay, good luck.